Hi love, in today's video we are going to learn how to make a simple and flavorful pan-seared octopus dish with garlic, butter and lemon. This recipe is easy and perfect for seafood lovers. It can be served as a main course or appetizer. All you need to do is just follow along. Okay guys, I'm about to cook some octopus for the very first time. I know you might think, and you're right, that it's not the most appealing seafood, but I promise you guys, this is going to be an impressive dish once we finish it up with a mouth-watering garlic butter and lemon. And also we're going to use that juicy sauce coming from all the seasonings. Now we are going to season and steam this. It's looking good already. So I need some seasoning. I need some pepper. I need some rosemary, olive oil. I need this. I don't know if it's enough water. So we are going to cover to let it steam until the water is gone, I think. Not sure what I'm doing, but I trust my good sense, my good judgment. Now that everything is steaming, let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna cut everything. Okay guys, so it's been a minute. I don't know exactly how long I should let it steam, but let me show you how it looks. It's like how long? I'm gonna ask Google. Hey Google, how long does it take for octopus to cook?
On the website greatbritishchef.com, they say, fill a saucepan with salted water and bring to the boil. Add the octopus, reduce the heat immediately and simmer gently for 45 to 60 minutes.
It's gonna take approximately 45 minutes. I just want to leave it there for like an hour. And I'm ready. We have this cut. So I'm just gonna go now sit down and watch the Real Housewives of Atlanta. After, oh, it's boiling. Look at this. I don't know what this is. Like the hair. Was I supposed to cut it off? Hey Google, are you supposed to cut the octopus head before cooking it? How come you don't know? You Google. Prepare to see. So let's go to the shorts. Oh, okay. So the head was still there. It's perfect. Oh, so I'm doing good. It's just octopus. If you know how to cook, you just cook. Okay. Does it have lemon? Yes. My sister, she grilled hers too, like 2 years ago. It was delicious. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Okay. So I'm just gonna.
I'm all over the place, to be honest.
Meanwhile, I'm cooking this. Guys, this is a crucial moment where you get to bring the juice from the octopus and all the seasoning that have been marinated for over an hour and pour them into this mixture to make our dish absolutely exquisite and mouth-watering. I promise you, this is gonna be so delicious that you'll feel almost illegal. I promise you. Now it's time to squeeze the lemon juice in. Oh, guys, this is a mic dropping moment. I have nothing else to say.
No matter your cookout plate strategy, Bush's baked beans make
How to grow delicious herbs. Step 1. Use Miracle Grow potting mix. In Element City, there's air, earth, water, and fire. But we
something is happening in Element City.
have to fix this.
Now, unlikely friends will become unexpected
It's
heroes.
good. Hope this is good.
Book now to save your next trip in the lodge. Free Wolf Lodge. Strength